Hello everyone, my name is Kirill. You are on the AutoAdviser channel. Today we will discuss which is better, a timing chain or a timing belt. Many people think that the chain is better, but this is not entirely true. Guys, most of the views on our channel are from the people who are not subscribed. And this is kinda sad. So if you have a red button under this video, be sure to click on it so that it turns gray. And don't forget about the bell. In internal combustion engines, regardless of whether they are diesel or gasoline, either a timing belt, also called a cam belt, or a timing chain is used to synchronize the rotation of the crankshaft and the camshaft. This synchronization ensures that the engine's valve open and close at the correct times in relation to the position of the pistons. So either a chain or a belt is rotated with the help of an engine. That is, our timing mechanism is set in motion. This is the main function of the chain or the belt. But the belt has an additional function. It also drives the pump or water pump. It was chains that were originally installed on cars, so at first glance it seems that the belt cannot compete with the chain. So why did manufacturers start using belts at all? In order to answer this question, let's look at the main advantages of the timing chain and the timing belt. The timing chain is installed, as it were, inside the engine, since lubrication is necessary for its operation, and it takes oil from the engine. In general, there are also mechanisms for the chain called chain dampers and chain tensioners. These are rather complicated mechanisms that regulate the degree of its tension and suppress a lash, preventing chain damage under high-stress applications. The timing chain and the mechanism that ensure its performance are generally more expensive to manufacture, and therefore the car is more expensive. The chain has a number of advantages. For example, durability. The chain must be changed once every 150 to 100,000 kilometers, depending on the manufacturer, although it is worth noting that previously double-row chains were installed everywhere, which had two rows, like I have in this chain now. But now, on the contrary, single-row chains are mostly installed, so both durability and reliability suffer. I hope there is no need to explain why double rows are more reliable than a single one. In addition, I want to know that the timing chain is metallic and it is less prone to stretching than the belt. So the chain is less likely to jump, and in general during operation, the chain almost does not disrupt the operation of the engine due to its stretching. Since the synchronization of rotation of the crankshaft and the camshaft ensures that the engine's valve open and close at the correct time, and if the chain is stretched, then the valve opening time will be delayed, and this will disrupt the operation of the engine. The chain itself is noisier and even heard when the engine is running, but some people even like it. As I said, the chain needs lubrication, and the design of the chain and all its mechanisms is a little bit more complicated. So these are all the shortcomings. The timing belt is replaced about once every 70–90,000 kilometers. And this figure is very underestimated, so to speak, because usually car owners worry about it. Although high-quality belts are able to serve more than 100,000 kilometers. Let's look at the benefits of a timing belt. The main advantage of a belt is that it is much quieter than a timing chain and is essentially less noisy. The second advantage of the belt is that it does not need lubrication, so the timing belt can be installed, as it were, outside the engine, which facilitates access to it and, most importantly, simplifies replacement. By the way, guys, if you need to buy a timing chain or a timing belt, be sure to go to the AutoAdviser website. The link will be in the description, where you can choose a chain or a belt specifically for your car. Let's summarize. You should not believe that the timing chain is better, since now they are manufactured as single-row timing chains. In addition, technologies are developing and modern high-quality timing belts have a very good resource. Do not forget to compare the replacement process. Replacing a timing chain is much more difficult and expensive than replacing a timing belt. Buying a car, many people ask, what is there, a chain or a belt? But in modern realities, in my opinion, you should not pay much attention to this, since timing belts are now very high quality and durable. You just need to buy a high-quality belt right away and change it in time, and it will be cheaper than replacing the timing chain, especially if the machine is used. No one will give you a guarantee when this chain was changed and whether it was changed at all. In general, this is the whole difference between a chain and a belt. I hope this video was useful to you. It was the AutoAdviser channel. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and all the best to you. See you soon.